Welcome back. What's up, YouTube? Well, today we're going to service the Road King, but I don't have no primary oil. So we're going to have to ride down to the dealer. Now, I have got all of the oil that I need, more than enough really, but I got enough for both bikes. I use that Mobil 1 synthetic oil and never had an issue with it. It's pretty good oil. But anyway, we're going to take the King. We're going to ride down to Falcon Fury and pick up a quart of primary oil. And there's the camper. I got it pulled out, got it washed up. Only thing I need to finish doing to it is I got to go have my propane tanks filled up. And here comes Miss Hazel. She got to be nosy. She got to inspect all the work. Hey. Yep. All right. But that's what we're going to be doing today. It's not too bad. I think it's 62. It's overcast. But the radar shows that it's supposed to be burning off. I don't know. No rain, just cloudiness. Well, the old gas light is on like normal. Ha! I reckon we better go get some gas. Even though that most of my videos is about motorcycles, riding motorcycles, when I first started this, I think I said that it's just going to be, I'm going to have all kinds of content. It's just so far, motorcycles is all I've had. Now we're going camping, and I'm going to make a video on that, a camping video. I hope y'all will enjoy that. But we're gonna run up here and get some gas. Get a little bit of dinosaur blood to get us on down the road for a little bit. We'll be right back. Well, $18.69, almost 5 gallons. All right. Anyway, we're going back this way. All right. right, on the road again. I just can't wait to get on the road again. Hey, hey. Oh, hey, if this is your first time to my channel, welcome. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, please hit the subscribe button. And if you don't want to watch my videos after a couple minutes of watching them, just slide the bar all the way to the right. Please, it will help me. Yep. It's a little overcast, but it ain't supposed to rain. We're gonna ride down to Conyers and pick us up some primary oil. Come back and change the oil on the old King. Hey, and look, I'm gonna spare y'all the agony of me doing another oil change video. Oh, I mean, we could always call it Ray Gregory Comedy Hour on changing oil. But now, oh, a little bit of sun poking through. Anyway, it ain't too bad. I got nothing but a short sleeve shirt on. I do have my coat in the tour pack. I do have my rain suit too, just in case. Oh, and one more thing. I got my jumper box too because, well, I always keep it with me, but the bike is 4 years old now, and once it sets a couple of days, it's kind of slow on cranking, but it cranks. But it's about time for a battery. We're working in the road down here. Y'all know, when I was a young man, anywhere probably from 14 to up till I was probably, I don't know, 30, I used to love hot rods, race cars. Every car I got, I messed up. Yeah, as far as my dad was concerned. Every time I got a car, and I didn't have many. Now, I had a lot of, I tell you what, some of the cars I had, I wished I had today. I had a 69 Charger. I had some Camaros and Firebirds and Novas and you name it. Back in the day, I had it. But back in the 80s, you could buy those cars for $500–600. Now, I used to like Oldsmobiles, preferably the 68 442s. I had 5 at one time, believe it or not. I just love those cars for some reason. I had some that was junk, but I did have one that was a pretty nice car, 455, 4-speed. It had the old style American mags on it. It was red with a black vinyl top. Loved that car. And then we had a race car. We raced. We had a little 72 Nova we drag raced for years, and I built a 84 Chevrolet pickup truck, tubbed it out, little small block stroker, turn around, 2 750s, and a gear drive for the timing chain. Sounded like I had a blower on it. I woke up one morning and I just didn't care about it no more. I didn't care about hot rodding. I didn't care about none of it. Yep. Have y'all ever done that? Loved something and woke up one morning and just didn't care no more? Well, I did. I sold the race car. Oh, and my wife had a 72 Nova. Now, my wife's got a wild too. I guarantee you I was putting I never bought no new tires from back of that car. A friend of mine ran a tire shop. He saved me all the 15-inch takeoffs because she say I'm going to the store. Next thing I know, you can hear out there just whining on them, just burning the tires. You can't even see the smoke, car from the smoke. But anyway, yep. Still continuing our journey. Yeah, we stopped for 15 minutes from my house to the dealer. We could make an hour video out of it. But we won't, because who's gonna watch an hour of me? Well, I tell you what, my subscriber count seems to be growing every day. We're up to 126 subscribers. My goal is, I like to see 150. So if you're watching the video and ain't a subscriber, subscribe. Help me out. Help me hit my goal. Share my videos. Tell your friends about me. This so redneck on the YouTube. Make some crazy ass videos. Uh-oh, here we coming up on this damn dangerous part of the road here. Yeah, now we got some, look here, we Fast and the Furious, bro. Yeah, Fast and the Furious. Yep. I wonder if he wants to drag race. I drag race him if he wants to drag race. Yeah, that's alright car. That's a pretty nice car, yeah. Watch him when he takes off. I was running, but reminds me. There you go. Fast and the Furious, bro. Oh. Oh, Road King might have hung with him, but I just don't like twisting my bike up like that. I don't like hitting them high RPMs, which I do every now and then. I tell you what, you better be careful up on top of this hill because the police sets up here with the radar. Yes, sir. swinging on it. I hope it ain't a good one. Yeah, I don't know. If it is, it was. Oh, scared me. Look, there I am. Yeah. Oh, there goes the refrigerator again. Yep. You know, to me, I look just plumb stupid with this camera on front of my helmet. Yeah. But, you know, it does the job. I'm saving my pennies. You know, I know you get what you pay for. Oh, I done got dark. Sun's against my back. Yeah, I'm saving my pennies. I don't think I'm gonna buy a GoPro, but I've been looking at, and you know, and I know you get what you pay for. I know. But what is it? That the Casio Brave LE? I mean, it seemed to be a decent camera. I think you could hook a mic up to it. The one thing I like about it, and it's only $160, but the one thing I do like about it is I could transfer the files from that over to my phone, either by wireless or hook the cord up. So, you know, everybody knows I do all my editing on my phone. What little bit I do, I don't do much, but I do some. Today is gonna be one of them days where I'm gonna try my best not to do much editing, if I can do this video right. But yeah, well, let me get out of some of this traffic. Well, okay. We are almost here. Yeah. There's the Outback Steakhouse. Seems like every time I eat the Outback Steakhouse, I have to go out back. If y'all know what I mean. I don't know what it is about it. I mean, some people love it, and hey, I love it, you know. But probably one out of every 5 times of going, it just tears me up. Now, I don't know if it's something I'm eating, something they put in there, because I love a steak and potato. We go to Longhorns, and I'll get that big old 23 ounce. It's a shame that they have to include that big bone in that 23 ounce, because the bone itself probably weighs 6 ounces. But anyway, I know. We're here. We're down here at the dealer. Let's go in and get a quart of primary oil. Yep. And see what everybody's up to. I reckon, I suppose. So we'll be we'll be right back. All right, everybody, we're here. There's this is what we come after. Where's it at? Right there. Yeah, that's what we come after. Some primary oil. See what else we need. Like I said, we got plenty of oil. Got plenty of oil filters. Never know what else I might get. Yep. Anyway, we still got plenty of motorcycles in here. Oh, by the way, a couple of my YouTube channels. These custom bikes right here. Y'all would not believe what they want for them. I could buy 2.5 of a Street Glide for the price of one of these bikes. Anyway, we'll be right back.